How to fix Ask AI crashing issue. Today I am going to show you some quick fixes for Ask AI crashing. Don't worry, most of the time it's an easy problem to solve and you will be back using AI in no time. Step 1. Restart the app or browser. Sometimes Ask AI just needs a fresh start. Close the app completely or refresh your browser and open it again. You would be surprised how often this works. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make the app crash. Make sure you are on a strong Wi-Fi or mobile network or try switching networks if needed. Step 3. Clear cache or update your app or browser. On a browser, clear cache and cookies. On mobile, check for app updates or reinstall it. Running the latest version usually fixes most bugs. If it's still crashing, try using a different device or browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause problems, so switching device can help. And that's it. With these simple steps, Ask AI should stop crashing and work smoothly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.